Alright, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you might have regarding today's video, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I want to talk about VeChain today because I've just been reading an article. They've laid out their 2023 roadmap, which is looking quite promising for the future of the project. But before I go through that article, I'll start off by looking at the cryptocurrency market as a whole. So we're sitting on a market cap of $965 billion. We've got a 24-hour trading volume of $59 billion, and Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 41.4%. Bitcoin is still holding above $20,000. It's up 7% over the last, 13% over the last 7 days. It's giving back some of those gains, but holding above 20,000 leads the rest of the market, so everything's looking pretty bullish. Trending, Solana's given back a few of its gains, but I'm not really too bothered about that. It gives me a better buy opportunity. So if we just quickly look at the market cap, I think we did break $1 trillion yesterday. Yeah, we touched on $1 trillion yesterday, but we had a little pullback. But pullbacks are good; they give you opportunities to buy back into projects. If we look at the projects that have shown the most gains over the last 7 days, Decentraland is looking good. Solana's got 29%, but it's given back 8% today. Over the last 24 hours, biggest gainer, never heard of Carver. HBAR's up 23% on the week, 3% on the day. I've got a small bag of HBAR. B, not much actually. It's a fairly flat day. It looks like it's a bit of a pullback really. If we go to the VeChain page, I quite like that. We're down 5.97% on the day, back down below that 0.02 price, which doesn't bother me at all because I'm looking to buy in below 0.02, so I'm quite happy about that. It seems to be a bit of selling off across the board. I don't know if it was like a fake out or a bull trap or something, but it doesn't really bother me. I've mentioned in the past that I'm not really fussed about price as at the moment with projects I believe in on the long term. I'm not looking to get in and out of this quick. I'm quite happy to sit on this for a couple of years or so. Sentiment, I'm not going to read this, but it looks predominantly bullish. But maybe they're slightly biased because they're following the project. You've got quite a large community of people following it. So moving on to the article, VeChain new roadmap shows how companies that use VeTech will be superior in 2023 and beyond. I'll link this article down below in the video if you want to read through it at your convenience. It came out on the 19th. Is that today? Yeah, it is today. So I've just got back from the gym, and I normally sit down and make a video when I've got back from training. So where was I? Later this year, VeChain is planning to introduce multi-chain data bridges and an asset lending platform. Next year, VeChain will be working on numerous projects including Layer 2 rollups, decentralized file storage, DAO governance, and much more. Right. Enterprise smart contract blockchain platform VeChain has been at the forefront of some of the key developments taking place recently in the market. Much of the development of VeChain at the VeChain Foundation unveiled a full roadmap for the years 2023 and 2024. In its new announcement, the VeChain Foundation noted that the project's developers are planning to work on a carbon footprint explorer during the first half of the year 2023. Some other projects that they would be additionally working on are an Ethereum token bridge and a wallet browser extension. During the second half of 2023, the VeChain developers will be working on implementing a VeChain naming system along with a multi-chain generic data bridge, as well as an asset lending platform. In addition, VeChain developers will be working on building a smart city ecosystems and oracles along with other features. I discussed that the other day with regards to metaverse resale experiences and whatnot, which looks quite interesting in the grand scheme of things. Being an enterprise-grade blockchain network, VeChain has been working to help companies optimize their supply chains. Additionally, it offers a list of services for companies for improving product lifecycle management as well as data certification. The smart contracts running on VeChain can move value via VET transactions. In the first quarter of 2024, VeChain is planning to work on numerous projects, which include Layer 2 rollups, decentralized file storage, decentralized autonomous organization governance rewards, algorithmic token-backed stablecoins, smart contract security analysis tools, etc. Right, VeChain's progress so far. While the last year of 2022 was pretty bad for the broader crypto market, it was pretty good in the terms of developments taking place within the VeChain ecosystem. The total number of new addresses on the VeChain blockchain reached 304,355. The annual total transactions on the VeChain blockchain crossed 12.9 million, and at the same time the number of NFT transactions reached 2.7 million. Furthermore, during the last year, VeChain was home to more than 50 NFT projects. Besides, the total number of exchanges supporting VET grew to 42. So it's 42 exchanges supporting VeChain now. So that's a large number of exchanges, really. It's a few. How many exchanges are? I'd have to look into how many exchanges there are. I'll do that in a minute. The ongoing developments happening at VeChain blockchain have also impacted VET transaction metrics. Over the last month, VET's social volume has stayed high, reflecting the overall network popularity. Also, the recent spike in VET's Binance funding rate hints that the cryptocurrency's the recent spike in VET's Binance funding rate hints at the cryptocurrency's increased demand in the derivatives market. The VET, the native crypto of VeChain, has also participated in the broader market rally since the beginning of 2023. In the first 2 weeks of 2023, the VET price has surged by nearly 30%, with a majority of the gains coming over the last week. The VeChain Foundation noted that with future upgrades, it will be disrupting some of the biggest industries in the market. I know I keep saying this, but for me, VeChain's a no-brainer. They've got partnerships with BMW, Mercedes, Walmart, the entire Chinese food industry. It's just, they're linked to everything. They've got fingers in millions of pies. I don't see how this can fail. None of this is financial advice. It never is. It never will be. But I just don't see how this project can fail, which is why I'm so bullish on it. So let me just see how many exchanges there are. They're on 42. Is there someone here that tell exchanges? How many are there? Well, there's 60. I'm not going to go through the lot, but there are a lot of exchanges. But to be on 42 of them is quite some achievement. So if we go to the price action, this is VeChain on the daily. What I find interesting here is, let me just check the MACD for divergences. There's no divergences on it. Let me just make that a little bit smaller so you can see the next area of resistance. What we've got happening here is we've broken above the daily 100, and it looks like it's become support. If we look here, this candle here, we broke above it. The candle here pulled back and literally touched it to the very pip, bounced off it, pushed back up a couple of dojis, and we've had a big pullback straight to that daily 100, and we've bounced off it again. So if that daily 100 can start to act as support, then that is a bullish signal for me. Like I've said before, the next level of resistance is at 0.023. We've got clear area up until there, so how far away is that in terms of percentage from where we are now? It's like 17%, it's 18%, so we need like an 18% gain over the next. I was expecting us to reach there this week, but I don't know if this has been a bull trap. But regardless, it's looking like it's wanting to push up. So if this 100 can continue to act as support, then that's all good as far as I'm concerned. I'm not day trading, I'm just investing in it. I'm primarily an investor. I day trade Forex, not cryptocurrencies. So that's all I wanted to do, just talk about VeChain very briefly. I'll leave it for now. Like I said, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Leave a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience. And yeah, any comments or questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I wish you all a wonderful afternoon and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.